Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Kayla and I do a lot of vlogging, but I'm trying something new for you guys today and doing my get ready with me for prom 2018. I did one of these last year and now that I look back on it, it wasn't the best. I'm here to show you guys my 2018 prom look. Obviously I can't show you what my prom dress looks like in this video, but if you want to see what my prom dress looks like, then definitely stay tuned for next weekend. This weekend's prom and I'm super excited, and I know Zach is too, and we're gonna have such a blast. Definitely subscribe to see the prom videos coming in and everything like that. Basically my dress is a white dress, which I wasn't thinking about getting a white dress this year because sometimes it looks like a wedding dress. I found this dress and I fell in love with it instantly, so I decided to get it. So my friend is actually doing my makeup for me this year, and her name is Maddie, and she's so sweet, and I cannot wait to reunite with her because I haven't seen her in about a year, so I cannot wait for her to do my makeup. I'm not the best at doing makeup, but this is the routine that I would do if I'm doing makeup for my prom this year. Before I get started, I just wanted to say thank you for the Heartfelt Florist for sharing their products with me to show you guys in my videos. The Heartfelt Florist is a company that makes their corsages and boutonnieres out of felt, and it's so cute and I love it so much. Basically, they're so cute. This is Zach's corsage. I don't know if you guys can really tell because it's really bright, but here it is. It's just one simple flower and then some leaves behind it. And then this is mine. It's the corsage, and it just basically looks like this. I don't know if you guys can really tell, it's really bright. Both of them are super cute and they come in very cute packaging. So if you guys want to get your boutonniere or corsage for this year's prom, definitely check out the link down below to their website and then type in Kayla Shenk to get 15% off of your purchase, which goes a long way when you're going in the long run. Really check into them then, because they do last for a very long time. Then they won't like rot or anything like that like a regular corsage or boutonniere would. So definitely check that out, and thank you again for the Heartfelt Florist for giving me the products. I love them so much and I can't wait to use them for prom. I decided to use my little area, my makeup area that I get ready to in the morning, because number one, my room is a complete mess, but no one needs to know that. But it would just be easier because I have my mirror here and like everything here. So if this is a little messy, just deal with it. I'm sorry guys. Like, what I start with to prime my face is this Sheer Transformation Ole Henderson primer, moisturizer kind of thing, oil-free cream. My face gets very oily, and during prom I do not want to have oil on my face. The first thing I'm going to do is just put my hair back so it doesn't get any makeup in my hair or anything like that. For this part of the video, we're gonna zoom in just a little bit, up close and personal, what I do to my face. If you guys want to see my skincare routine, definitely leave a comment down below because I would love to do that, but for this video I'm not going to be doing it. I'm going to be putting this moisturizer on my face, but I am running out of this. I really need to get more, but that just shows how much I love this skincare product. So I'm using this mirror, so if you see me looking down, that's why. But I just put this on my face. I try to avoid my T-zone so that it doesn't get very oily and everything. So next what I use is this Master Conceal by Face Studio Maybelline, and I love this stuff. I have never found a concealer that conceals more black circles and everything like that before. My friend actually told me about this and I didn't believe her that it actually did take away pretty much everything that's on your face. So this is going to be your best friend if you have pimples at prom. So also, while I have this on my face, I'm looking great. You guys know I am no makeup artist at all. Like literally, I am so bad at makeup. That's why I vlog all the time. So if I'm not doing something right, I know I'm not doing something right because that's not my professional interest. Like if you're here to look at makeup tutorials on how to look amazing at prom, then this is not the place for you because I do not know makeup. Yeah, so I could be putting this on at the wrong time. I don't really care. I don't really care to hear about your comments about if I do put this on at the wrong time and if I'm applying it wrong or anything like that. I am here to talk about self-beauty and that you are beautiful just the way you are. No matter how much makeup you have on and no matter how little you have on, you're still gonna look beautiful at prom just being you and just looking as gorgeous as ever. Conceal all the pimples that I don't want to show in my pictures for prom. So now that we did that, it took away some of my pimples on this side and everything, and then my dark circles, because I am exhausted, guys. You have no idea the grind. Next step is I get my foundation, and the foundation I'm going to be using today is my L'Oreal Paris. I spent a whole lot of money on makeup. I have a lot of other priorities that I want to spend my makeup on. Oh my gosh, I can't talk today, guys. I have a lot more interest in spending money on like traveling and just spending my money towards good things that I need, not makeup. So yes, this is a low budget film. I just gotta put this everywhere on my face. Make sure I get everything. And also, tip, you probably know this. You've probably been told a million times, but you need to put makeup on your neck. Like, I see people that don't put makeup on their neck. I have dresses that are cut out like right here so you can see the difference, especially between your face and your neck. So make sure you blend down your neck. My big fluffy brush, don't even know what it's called, from Sephora. And I'm just gonna, you know, act like I know what I'm doing. Okay, so now that I covered my entire face and I blended out my neck, just making sure. That's what I do when my makeup is still like a little damp. Take my Tarte palette. It's not even a palette, it's a, what's this called? Bronzer, that's what it's called. I take my bronzer. As you can tell, I have used this bronzer like crazy. So I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna contour away. I love contouring for prom because it just makes your pictures look poppin'. So I take this first brush, don't even know what this is for, not exactly sure. I think it's for concealer, I'm not sure. I just have to like chisel out my contour lines and everything, and then I go back in with like a fluffier brush and like blend it away. And the next thing you want to do is like make sure that it's a 3. So okay, so that is my bronzer for my face. Now I'm gonna go to my nose. I'm gonna take this, that's originally for my eyelids, but I'm gonna use it for my contouring, and I'm gonna sculpt my nose. Okay, so that gives off like a shadow on both sides, so it makes your nose look skinnier. Next, what I'm gonna do is I'm going to take this palette. It is Maybelline New York. Maybelline, if you're watching, just sponsor me already because I'm pretty sure everything I used is already from Maybelline. Taking this color right here, so they don't have names, but I'm gonna be taking that color and I'm gonna be putting it in my eyebrows right after I brush my eyebrows. And I'm just gonna brush them out one more time to make sure that they're all even and going right. Little tip, if you don't have eyebrow setter, you can spray your spoolie with hairspray. And just a little though, because I think it's really bad for your eyebrows, but I ran out, so I'm gonna curl those babies. And for prom, I make sure that my eyelashes are like extra curled and like have extra amount of like mascara on them. Mascara I'm using is CoverGirl Total Tease. This mascara is amazing. I love it. I'm actually running out. I'm pretty sure I need to get some more. I'm not very good at like refilling my makeup. Like when I'm running out, I kind of just like let it run out, which is not the smartest idea. My eyelashes.
Shame on you, you macho shithead.
I'm going to be using 2 palettes, Nude Eyes, and also the Blush Nudes from Maybelline. So my boyfriend and I decided that we're doing like blush pink, like hints and here and there. So I'm taking my makeup brush for my eyelids, and I'm gonna be taking this color, this color, this color, and this color. All the pinks, blush pinks. And just be making them look like they're supposed to. I don't really know. I'm gonna try my best, guys, because I'm really bad at this, but you guys asked for this video, so I'm gonna give it to you. My like crazy face when I'm doing this. show you exactly what I was doing because honestly I had no idea what I was doing. This is what it looks like. I'm gonna go up close and personal here. But I basically just did some darker color in the crease, some pink and whitish kind of color, peachy colors, everything like that. Don't really know what I'm pointing at right now, but that's basically what I did for my eyes. And I realized that I didn't contour as much as I want to, so I actually take my Wet n Wild contouring palette and I contour just like a little bit more.
Are you finished, Mr. Slade?
That is good for contouring. I like to go a little bit darker on the contouring. I just like the shape of my face that way. That's like my small little routine. My hair, I honestly am not going to be doing a tutorial on my hair today, guys. If you guys do want to go check out my video last year, you guys can go check that out. I did like a curling routine of what I do like when I'm curling my hair, but I am going to be doing something a little bit special for this prom and I don't want to spoil it, so I'm going to leave that up to you guys to figure out your hair for this year. My routine for my hair a lot on my videos when I'm working and doing some stuff with my hair, so definitely subscribe and check out those videos. But that for the most part is what I do to my face and everything like that. Like I said, subscribe down below to check out the new videos coming this weekend for prom. I'm super excited. And also thank you again for the Heartfelt Florist for helping me and partnering with me to give me my Corsage and boutonniere this year. I am so thankful and so happy and so excited to use it. And like I said, you guys can use my name, Kayla Shenk. I'll put it down here. You get 15% off of your purchase of a boutonniere and corsage, or just a corsage or just a boutonniere. And so that's exciting and so much fun. So at least go check out their Instagram or their website down below because they have a lot of cute stuff and so much stuff to come. So thank you guys so much for watching and I cannot wait to see you in the next video. Bye!